Just before we do get started with this video, we just want to reiterate to everybody, please be careful and vigilant. Me and Chris are not going to message you from any accounts at all. We're not going to message you from our YouTube account, from our Instagram account. We are not going to send you any messages telling you that you've won and you need to bring us up, pay this or pay that. They are scammers. We don't have a Telegram. We don't have an email. We will not contact you. The way you're going to know whether you won is the video is going to go live on Sunday. And for those of you that do miss the live, we're going to upload that video after so that you're going to know whether you won or not and know whether to continue on and follow the procedures that we're going to say right at the end. So let's get on with it. Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay. And this of course is the Sunday video we've been telling you all to look forward to. I know quite a lot of you on Instagram would have already seen it. We made a bit of a joke of it, but you can all see I've got a bit of glue on my eye and some steri strips for the next few days. And that's going to be on there for about 5 days. I was actually levering something down with a lever bar and it actually flicked out and hit me in the eye. So a little bit of a cut there, but let's move on. So 250,000 subscriber, we decided to celebrate it with a giveaway. And guys, I'm not going to have my eyes on the camera today because I am, for the first time, actually reading a script. And Chris and me have just put this together because we didn't want to get it wrong, didn't want to confuse anyone, didn't want anything going wrong at all. But I've got the prizes behind me. Let's get started and actually tell you what our plans are. So firstly, 250,000 subscribers at some point last week, wasn't it? Which is fantastic. I never expected this. Chris never expected it. The channel has just gone from strength to strength so quickly, hasn't it? It's just been unbelievable. And the support and love that we get on there and the comment section, you know, I read all of the comments in those videos. So we just want to say a huge thank you, both of us, for the continued support on the channel. And of course, to everyone new that's coming over. So, to celebrate the 250,000 subscribers, we are running a giveaway. To qualify to enter, you simply need to be a subscriber to the SR UK channel and also follow us on Instagram at Salvage Rebuilds. The prizes are as follows. So the first prize is going to be £500 in cash. And we've got that here waiting for you guys. That's going to be the first prize, and that prize is actually made up of £250 from me and Chris out of our pocket and £250 from our long-term channel sponsor, Car Vertical. As you know, we've got a great relationship with Car Vertical. We swear by it. Every time we buy a new car, we use Car Vertical when we're buying that car. And of course, never to forget, when I was about to put all of my savings into buying that Lamborghini that was unrecorded with 3,000 miles on it. In fact, I will run that little clip now. I'll be very, very brief, guys, but when I was buying that Lamborghini, this was the check that I'd run. The car was for sale and advertised as 3,000 miles and unrecorded, and it comes straight up when I punched it in with a mileage discrepancy and accidents. And I'm just, like I said, quickly scroll through and show you. I don't think the mileage discrepancy is there, because when it was in America, this car is from America, that was the miles it was showing. People also sent me proof that it done a 9,000 mile gumball rally from America to Ibiza, and it says there problem found, odometer may be tampered, but it was the actual pictures that we showed. And of course it was written off twice in the States, and all of the records are there. Again, I'm not going to get into those too much in this check. Let's just go down to the actual photos. So there was that car, and we was looking at it. It was absolutely beautiful when we was looking at it, and look at the state of it there, quarter panel and severe front end. Of course, as usual, I will put the link for Car Vertical in the description down below, and make sure that you just use this check when you go and buy a car. And of course, you'll benefit from a 10% discount by using our link. Thank you again, Car Vertical, for the continued support. So yeah, huge thank you to Car Vertical, guys, and they've doubled what me and Chris, we initially said 250,000 subscribers, £250. The minute I reached out to them and said, we're doing this giveaway. They said, what is your plans? And they said, we'd like to double that. So that's really, really kind of them. So that's the first prize. Second prize is a brand new Autel Maxicom MK808BT. Now we have only just scratched the surface with this diagnostic machine. You all see me use it in the Range Rover Sport video, and this is a bit of kit, Chris, isn't it? It just knocks spots off of everything else that we've been using. And of course, Autel sent this out to us, and I did say to them, I would only accept one if there was another one for us to give away. So down there next to our one is a brand new sealed one in the box. That's going to come with all of its normal warranty, all of its guarantees, everything like that. So we'll be sending that out as a second place for the second winner, basically, number 2. And that is valued at, that was nearly £500 as well. So somebody's going to be getting that computer, and that is a bit of kit, isn't it? I'm going to keep saying it. Third place is going to be a merch bundle, and that's from me and Chris, and also some more from Car Vertical. I'm just going to point the camera at it, guys, so that you can all see it. But after, we will do a little sweep of it. So here you've got Car Vertical t-shirt, you've got a Comline beanie hat, and of course, hanging up here, we've got one of our new Polo shirts and a Salvage Rebuilds baseball cap. Let's just pick my paperwork up. And then last but not least, I actually reached out to Comline, and we haven't got anything upcoming with Comline at all. No videos. And I spoke to our agent and said, we're doing this giveaway, we're going to be doing it Sunday. Would Comline like to get involved? They've supported the channel. We'd like to, you know, would they be interested? And Comline kindly said that they would love to supply free service kits. So 3 different service kits for 3 different vehicles. And that's good, because there was only going to be 3 prizes. Now there's 6, which is lovely. So guys, if you own an Aston Martin or a Lamborghini, we're not going to be able, Comline are not going to be able to supply those parts. Now, what they're going to do is supply brake discs, pads, and all the filters for your car. And basically, if you know, you're going to be entering this, if you win it and you do own a Lamborghini, you're going to have it for your mum's Fiesta or something like that, basically. Run-of-the-mill stuff that they actually do sell, because that is what they do, the run-of-the-mill stuff. So, to enter, this is the easy bit. Just leave a comment in the comment section of this video only. No other videos. I know that I mentioned it in the Range Rover Sport video. We're going to be doing a giveaway. Quite a lot of people said, well, I think I should win. But guys, it's going to have to be this video. I'm sure you all know that anyway. The giveaway will run for 1 week, after which we will use a random comment picker to select the winners. So next Sunday, we'll have to go live. We will go live next Sunday, and we will go, Chris will have the laptop there, we'll be live on the camera, and we will use a random comment selector to pick out those 6 people. The winners will need to contact us via Instagram DM and provide us an email address and a telephone number. We will carry out a verification process to avoid any fake accounts or scammers. Good luck to everyone. Also, just a little reminder that we have a number of swear words or offensive words blocked. I know you said a number of. We actually thought that we nailed them all, didn't we? But we still see some. We're still learning swear words, because we don't swear. So that we still do get a few that are popping up. Also, we have all links blocked. So if your comment contains any of these, either swear words or links, basically the comment selector won't pick out your comments, because they don't display on our page. Where we've got them blocked, Chris does get to see them and held for review. and you don't do nothing about them, do you? You just leave them in there. Just a huge thank you to everyone, and of course a massive good luck to everyone. I'm going to spin the camera around, just show you exactly what it is that you're having the competition for, and we'll go from there. So guys, here are the prizes. Of course, first prize is that £500 cash. Thank you to Car Vertical. Second prize is going to be this amazing professional Maxicom MK808 BT professional scan tool. We've raved about it and we're going to continue to do so. That one is sealed in the box, and that is worth almost as much as the £500 cash. Third prize is going to be our polo shirt with a baseball cap, a Comline beanie, and of course a Car Vertical t-shirt. And for the free, would you call them runners up, Chris? For the free runners up, you're going to receive discs and pads from Comline for your vehicle, and also oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, fuel filter, along with those discs, coated discs and brake pads. They are going to be for the run-of-the-mill cars. So that is the prizes there, guys. So we're going to leave it there, guys. Hope you all have a lovely weekend, what's left of it. We're really, really excited and looking forward to next Sunday already to pick out those 6 winners. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Thank you all again from the bottom of our hearts. We really do appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow in the next one.